What's up, queens and kings, and welcome back to another video. Oh my goodness, you guys, you don't understand. It feels so good to be sitting here in front of this camera making this video for you guys. Like, I legit was going through it not being able to upload content for you guys because I've gotten so in the rhythm and the flow of making videos that like I feel like I had this itch and I need to make content for you guys. It's really weird, but I want to let you guys know that I was away from YouTube for a while because I was working on some projects outside of YouTube which are now complete, and now I could breathe, take a few steps back, come back here and actually start making more content for you guys because I legit love you guys all so much. What really touched my heart was that even when I was away working on my other content, my other stuff, my other projects, you guys still showed me love. I saw you guys viewing my videos. We reached 200 subscribers, which makes me feel so good. So thank you so much. I created this YouTube channel because I want to, show my creativity to the world and also help those out there who are struggling, when it comes to makeup, drag, or whatever it may be, especially for us melanated girls. Because I know when I first started, there was like no one on YouTube doing any videos that I can relate to who look like me. So I hope I can be that person for somebody out there. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for 200 subscribers. Let's keep the family growing. And I want to go ahead and show you guys how I do this soft glam look. You guys have been totally living for this soft glam look. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, please go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Soleil. I think I'm gonna like pop it somewhere here on the screen. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram because I do post a lot of makeup related content there. Actually, my whole Instagram account is about makeup, so go ahead and follow me there. Basically, what I'm saying is I went and I posted this photo on Instagram and on Facebook, and a lot of people loved it. They were like, oh my god, I love the natural soft bead, I love how that looks on you. So I wanted to get on here, guys, and show you how I achieve that look. However, before we jump and dive into today's video, I kind of want to get on here and just introduce myself. You guys are probably like, who are you? You just popped up, started making YouTube videos. My name is Brian. I am from Oakland, California, and I have an obsession with makeup. I want to create a community for us to come together, talk about makeup, have fun with makeup, and other fun stuff. All right, let me go ahead and roll my sleeves up before we get started because, I don't know, I feel like I should just roll my sleeves up. So today we have some new products we're gonna go ahead and try out today. So to get my soft glam look, I'm still gonna use my the same foundation and concealer that I use. But for a primer, I use my Milk Hydro Grip primer. But for today, I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna go ahead and use the NYX Hydrated.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Booster drops. So these are drops. They're hydrating booster drops. But I kind of tested this out on my hand, and when I put it on like my finger and did this, it kind of had the same type of consistency as the Hydro Grip primer. It has like a sticky, tacky texture or a feel to it. However, it's not as sticky as a Hydro Grip primer. The Hydro Grip primer is super sticky, and it's great for the makeup to adhere to. This did feel hydrating on my fingers, but I'm just kind of can't wait to see how it feel. How it acts on my face. Ooh. I don't know if I'm doing too much. I can already tell off top that this product is amazing. Like I want a little bit more. So yeah, like I said before, when I tried it on my fingers, it is a little bit tacky, not nearly as tacky as the Hydro Grip primer. However, it does kind of have like a silicone-y like feel to it. Like, you know how like the Baby Smooth primer is, how it has that really silicone type of feel to it. This is not that silicone-y, but you can definitely feel some type of bounce to it when you put it on, which is good, which is really good. I like it. All right, and for foundation today, we're gonna go in with the MAC Studio Tech Foundation in the shade NW50. If you guys like to use me as a shade reference. The next step, what I'm gonna do is go in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I am in the shade Toffee. And I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my T-zone area. We're gonna keep this a little lighter than normal. Normally, I'll just go in with something like. Today, we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna go in with it, but we are not gonna go crazy with it. But we're gonna make sure it's there, honey. We're gonna make sure that we are glowing for the gods. On my forehead, or my 5 head, or however many types of heads I have. I like to put a little bit here. Like hug the nose, the sides of the nose, and just put it in here. All right, I'm back. I hope that fixed the way I was looking. I was looking really orange. I had to fix the white balance because the white balance was not set correctly. So sorry if I look different, you guys. So a trick that I learned to set the under eyes, you dip your beauty blender into the powder and you blow on it so you can get an even coat. You don't want it to be blotchy on here. And then you want to go ahead and press it under your eye. Thank you so much, Alyssa Ashley, for that tip because that has really gotten my foundation game on lock. All right, you beautiful souls. Now that we have our face all nice and set in place and we're looking a little matte, a little smooth, we're looking pretty good. Our face is really flat right now. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is start to bronze up and contour the face. So I am not the best when it comes to contouring. I literally contour for drag, so I use like eyeshadow and stuff like that. So for today's video, we're gonna contour with eyeshadow. Please don't sue me, please don't. We're gonna use the color Benny from the James Charles palette. Can you guys please recommend me a nice contour powder? Like, I've had the hardest time finding contour powders. Now that I have all this powder on my face, I'm gonna go ahead and take my MAC Fix Plus and give my face a little spritz. I like to kind of blend that in. Also a little bit, not dry, but I just want the contours and the highlights to blend together and not just be, you know, I want it to be seamless. As John McClane would say, seamlessness is the key to the universe. So now it's time for me to bake some more. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my sponge and I'm gonna go ahead and dip into that honeymoon powder. And we're gonna bake. How long has that been annoying you guys? It's probably been annoying you guys for a lot. Ugh, cool. Now it's time to move on to eyebrows. Just like John McClane. So the trick that I learned, I forgot where I learned. I think James Charles did this. Somebody did it, but they took some Got To Be Glue freeze dry spray and a makeup spoolie. My makeup spoolie is pretty gross, so I don't want to like really put it all up in the camera because y'all gonna think very differently of me. What that's gonna do is the glue is gonna help the eyebrow stamp, so it's kind of like an eyebrow gel in a way. I always like dark brows, so honestly to do my eyebrows, I either use like a really dark brow pencil or I use eyeliner, and today I'm gonna use eyeliner. I'm gonna use the Revlon like eyeliner, and I'm gonna start to so this one's a little wonky, but all right, so now what we're gonna do is go in with our Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Toffee. We're gonna go ahead and start to carve out the brows to give the brows more shape. Our brows, I'm gonna go ahead and take our concealer. We're gonna go ahead and prime the lids for eyeshadow. So for today's eyes, I'm going to use the NYX Sugar Trip Squad eyeshadow palette. It's a really beautiful palette. It's gorgeous. This actually was a gift from a friend of mine, so I'm going to go in deeper into these colors. I don't know what kind of look I'm going to do yet, but we're going to figure it out. So let me just kind of get in here and figure out what I'm going to do, because I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I think to start, I'm going to take this color here, though. It's kind of like a orangey brown color, I guess. I'm going to just rub that all over the socket. What the shade is acting as our transition shade, so go ahead and just rub this all throughout here. All right, so now that we have that transition, why am I using air quotes? So now that we have that transition shade down, I want to go ahead and dip into this really like burgundy shade here. We're gonna like just get our brush in that, and we're gonna kind of focus this more in the crease. All right, so now that we have that shade on there, we're gonna go ahead and get a little bit deeper. So we're gonna go in with this dark brown shade. This color kind of reminds me of the shade Benny in the James Charles palette, that really dark purpley brown color. Okay, we gonna work it out. Wow, that went way better on this side. Done like baking, so. All right, so I kind of want to try this new eyeshadow palette I got. It's from Huda Beauty. It's the Gemstone Obsessions palette. I dropped this palette and oh my god, this shade right here got really messed up. So we're gonna go into this shade right here, or this shade, one of the two, probably this shade here most likely, and create a half cut crease. I like to get pigments like this on the brush, and I like to go ahead and use like a Fix Plus priming spray and spray it. It makes it look, oh, do you see that shit? And when we get to the middle portion, I'm gonna take that, so I use this color here. That's the shade, well, the shade name's not even on here, but I'm gonna take the shade next to it, that purpley one. And I'm gonna go ahead and just like, you know. All right, now that I have those on my eyes, I'm like jumping all over the place. I'm gonna go back into that the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna get a purple color, and I'm gonna like just kind of marry the colors together here. I'm now gonna take some more black eyeshadow. I'm going with this like angled brush. I'm gonna smoke out my waterline. I'm now taking that like brick shade again, and I'm like lightly dusting it under the black. and bakes. How's my camera about to die? My camera's about to die, so I'm just taking some of that honeymoon powder, and I'm just brightening up the inside of my highlighted areas a little bit more. To do now to finish this look off, add some falsies, but unfortunately I do not have any false lashes right now, so this is kind of like my soft glam look. This look is a little bit more extreme than the one that I posted on Instagram, but I kind of want to give you guys more of a cute crazy eye look to go along with the face. But yeah, you guys, this is how I do my glam. I'm telling you, if I had some lashes on, this would totally set the look off. That is it for today's video, you guys. Hope you guys really enjoyed it. So again, for the foundation that I used today is the MAC Studio Tech Foundation in the shade NW50. The concealer is the Toffee color from the Too Faced Born This Way. The highlighter I am wearing is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt, you know, highlighter. And yeah, you guys. And for my lips, I kind of went off camera, but I tried to line my lips with like a black eyeliner, which did not work. So what I did was I went ahead and put Infallible Pro Matte Gloss, this from L'Oreal. And then I went ahead and went in with this Milk Makeup like blush slash lipstick. And I kind of just dabbed that in the middle. And that's how I got this this lip combination. All right, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is my soft glam look today. I did go a little overboard with the eyes today because I wanted to give you guys something a little bit more fun. But as far as the base makeup, it is something that's normally softer than I would normally do. And I hope you guys like it. Please go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed already, because I would love to have you guys a part of the family. And guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah.